Hello everyone, this is Troy again with TheraSaaS, here to give you some updates and a bit of a tutorial about our Opportunities tab. So to go to the Opportunities from your Launchpad, just click Opportunities on the side tab and you will see all the opportunities that you have per pipeline. So again, you can click which pipeline you want to look at here. Just click this drop down and you can choose referral source, psychiatry, new client appointment, EHR, depending on what pipelines you have. So I'll go over this side. You can also search for opportunities. So for example, let's say Jane, who is a chiropractor. Currently Jane is at the paperwork filled out stage. So you can choose which opportunity you want and it will show you where that current opportunity is on your pipeline. This is especially useful when you have lots of opportunities already added here. You can also sort them by the date added or by deal value. Usually it will be set to date added, which is better, I think, because you will see when each of these opportunities are added. Now you can also add a filter. By default, it is filtered with all the opportunities whose status are open, but you can just go ahead and clear this out and add a filter, add another filter, or you can go ahead and edit this, and currently it's showing all the opportunities that are still open, but you can also go ahead and see all the opportunities that have been won, lost, or abandoned all at once or each one of them. So that's that. Again, it's by default filtered to show status opportunities whose status are open. And then right here on the menu, you can go ahead and export the data that you have in this pipeline so that you can have a report by clicking each of this tab. It will show you the number of whatever it is that you want shown. For example, let's choose note. So once you hit apply, you will see all the opportunities that have notes in them, and it will have a number count on the note icon. So for example, Tony Stark, he has 2 notes. If you click that, you can go ahead and check what notes are inside Tony Stark. So for example, Tony needs approval from wife, and Tony has daddy issues. From here as well, you can also add an opportunities. Just click opportunity and you can select which contact from your current list of contacts that you want to add as an opportunity here. So for example, we'll go ahead and add Albus Dumbledore. You can just type in Albus Dumbledore. Click the contact that you want to add and it will pre-populate all the details that that contact has and add them here. So you can just hit create to add the contact as an opportunity to your pipeline. You can also already assign which stage this opportunity will go to. If you want this opportunity to start at the new client lead, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to jump into a different stage right off the bat, that's totally fine. You can just choose which stage that opportunity will go to. You can also change which pipeline you want that opportunity to be added. So just click. Again, you can go ahead and just change which pipeline you want that opportunity to go to, or which stage of the pipeline you want them to be added. You can also assign the status right away, add an opportunity value, assign them to a certain, if you have different intake coordinators, you can go ahead and assign them from here, and add a tag to that opportunity. Once done, you can just go ahead and hit create. So let's go back. As you can see, this is again the look of our visual pipeline. So if you have an opportunity that you want to move to another stage inside a pipeline, you can just go ahead and click any blank space in their name card and just click and drag them to whichever stage you want them to go to. Another thing that you can do as well is to assign them to a bin at the very bottom if they're tagged as 1, abandoned, or lost. So if we go ahead and click the blank space again, without dragging them, just clicking it, it will show you the details of that opportunity. So we have here this Tony Stark, currently in the new client appointment pipeline, in the stage client contacted. From here, again, one way that we can tag a opportunity as 1, lost, or abandoned is by dragging them to the bottom bins. Another way is to just, under status here, you can just click this and choose which tag you want to assign this opportunity. So for example, this opportunity has been 1, just go ahead and click that and hit update. So for now, let's just leave this as open. From here as well, you can, okay, there are unsaved changes, let's just hit confirm for now. From here, you can also book an appointment with this opportunity. So let's hit select calendar, test, which day. So it will show you the available dates in the calendar that you chose, what slot, if you've already chosen a date. So let's say the 13th. There are no slots available because I haven't opened this. So let's choose this one. Okay. Say 9 a.m. And you can add a meeting location. You can add your Zoom personal meeting link here or a Google Meet link. And you can have an appointment title. Hit book appointment and it will send a notification of a confirmed appointment to your opportunity via email. Let's go ahead and move on to tasks. Let's cancel this again. Okay, so back to Tony Stark. Let's hit task. From here, you can add a task for this opportunity. So click add task and you can title the task that you want to add. Say for example, contact patients insurance. Say for example, patients insurance is blah blah blah. ID is blah blah blah. You can also assign this task to your intake coordinator, or if you have several intake coordinators, you can choose which one you want this task to be assigned and add a due date. Just click add task and this task will be added, and if you've assigned it to an intake coordinator or a member of your team, they will also be notified of the task that you've added for this opportunity. Let's go back. Let's move on to notes. So here in notes, you can add a note for this opportunity. Currently he has 2, but you can go ahead and edit any of these by clicking this pencil button. Or you can go ahead as well and delete the note. Adding a note, you just click add note here. If you want to send an email or a text message to a certain opportunity, what you can do is you can also just click the opportunity's name, or another thing that you can do is click the title card, any blank space on their title card, and beside contact details, there is an icon here that you can click and it will open a new tab. If we go ahead and click the name from this opportunity directly, it will open the conversations of this certain opportunity in the same tab. So again, if you click this name, it will open the conversations in the same tab, but if you click the icon, when you click the name card of the opportunity, it will open to a new tab. So let's go to the conversations. From here, you will see the unified inbox of your opportunity. At the right side, you can see the activities tab, the tasks that you've added for this opportunity, any notes that you may have, any appointments that has been booked for this opportunity, documents that have been added, as well as payments. So you can have a quick glance, a quick look to what has happened to your opportunity, as well as the details and data from the form that the opportunity has previously signed. So you have here the contact information, any information from the forms that they have signed. It will also be here on the left-hand side for a quick glance. So again, this is how you add an opportunity from your contacts, assign them to a certain pipeline, a certain stage inside the pipeline, update their statuses, add notes, add tasks, and go to the conversations page for each of the opportunities. Thank you very much.